Saturn was discovered by the Cassini spacecraft to be an extremely powerful source of radio emissions. The emitted radio signals are closely linked to the auroras occurring near the planet's poles. These light bands resemble the auroras at Earth's north and south poles. Notably, the Cassini spacecraft also recorded strange sounds emanating from behind Saturn. Today, Viet Co and Euro 404 will join you in exploring the second largest gas giant in the solar system. In the video below, in April 2002, the Cassini spacecraft detected radio emission signals. When the planet was 374 million kilometers away, scientists used radio transmitters and specialized equipment to measure plasma waves. This device has for the first time provided researchers with high-resolution observational images of those emissions. Reveals